Omushomo ogu gumazire ebiro bibiri aha Hotel Triangle kandi gubire gugenderiro kubangura aba RDCs na RCCs okubine kore emirimo yabo kurungi. Konka omukugamba kwa Minisita Babalanda ajengo hariho ba RDC abaguhindwira omuze gwo kumusindikira MPA asumuye kandi obwo atari kukimanya.
Why do you send me money and for what? I am your supervisor. Do you want to compromise me? Why really? I get salary. Who earns better salary? You the other person or your supervisor. Why do you send me money? I'm not happy.
Minisita Babalanda ayijukize ba RDC na RCCs kuguriyo omurimo gwabo okureba ngo project zona zarebuzwa kurungi hamwe no kureba ngo bamanya za budget zona eza kanso zabo.
As we are here, all of you should be knowing what was planned in your districts, cities for the financial 2022-2023.
Babalanda agambire ba RDCs okumuseveni atashemerirwe no muringo gwabamo mu rubo okuba kwasira enshonga ya parish development matter.
His Excellency the President is concerned that you are not giving sufficient attention to these activities that aim at dealing with poverty problem in the country. The President is not satisfied at all.
Abijukize ngu bamwe omuruba RDCs tubakakozere cyango okureba ngo abantu barugomba bisharra nko President Museveni yabaragire.
Encroachment, even when the environmental disasters linked to these encroachments continue to show face in our communities.
Honorable Minister, you also directed that they must be retooled, refocused on their mandates with relevant skills to enhance their performance.
Kano James Mwesije obarkwakira Minisita Babalanda asimire ofisi ye okugezaho kubatera hembera nungi okukora emirimo yabo. Gasha kwa Adolf Ayoreka.